Okay guys, so I'm officially gonna film finally my first custom effects clipper. So we got the iPad ready, just like in the demonstration I showed you guys online. I'm gonna build my own, and this is the one I think I'm gonna go with. Okay, you're gonna put in all your information, how to oh no, you're totally good. How to contact, your email, your phone number, and then you're gonna continue to check out. Order placed successfully. And that's it. I just got my email. Let me open it up. It says, our technicians have finished building your custom clipper. Head to the Custom Effects lab to pick up. Gonna be the pickup station where we're gonna pick up our orders, and I'm just gonna go let them know that my order is ready. Show them the email.
So while you wait, you're gonna fill out a custom effects contest form. Basically, put your name information and put your clipper name or color combination. So you're gonna be entered into a contest. You're gonna get an accessory package, which is gonna include the Tune 45 power clips. And you're also going to be featured in our next edition in March in New York. So now you're going to pick up your clipper and you're going to take a picture at the photo booth. So let me go get your clipper. Here's custom clipper. Your name's on here. When it was created.
Building mine right now. Go back there. Got record.
So sweet. Awesome.
Now I'm going to take it out of the box. Okay. I'm going to take a picture so you guys can enter it into the contest.
Yes. I can't believe it. This is pretty sick. Got the fade blade on it, the blue handle, the yellow housing, the blue bottom cap, and a silver hanging hook. Pretty awesome. Come by the booth and customize your own. Also,
get a free clipper koozie with every purchase.
Also, a free clipper koozie with every single purchase to protect your new beautiful custom effects clipper.